Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uthi kade bemzingela lomsolwa ekugcineni sezize zamkhalela.
We've been following up for a long time, and eventually we led him here to this office to conduct these nefarious operations so that he could be caught. Simply the set of people you see here, there are two sets of people. On one side is South Africans, on the other is foreign nationals. They match.
Udokotela uMtswaledi uchaze kabanzi ukuthi lwenziwa kanjani lolu hlobo lobugebengu.
They come here, give their identity, their fingerprints and their names over to the foreign national. Then the photo is going to be that of a foreign national with South African demographics, name, fingerprints, etc. This foreign national is now legitimized to be on a South African passport.
Ubesayichaza ngohlobo lwamacala labasolwa ababhekene nawo.
This is criminal, but also face charges in terms of the Identification Act, also in terms of the Immigration Act, because he's giving passports. Some of these people he's giving passports to are illegal immigrants. Others, even more serious, by the way, are refugees. You guys in the media, you always talk about vulnerable refugees and all that. Quite a number of people in South Africa who are looking for refugee status are not refugees.
Longqondongqondo kubikwa ukuthi ubebiza izinkulungwane ngamanzi zamarandi uma ngabe ufuna izincwadi zokuvakasha ungqondongqondo kanti isebenza semnyangweni wezasekhaya zona beziholelwa imali esuka ezinkulungwane 5 kuya kwezi10 zamarandi incwadi ngayinye. Isebenzi zomnyango wezasekhaya isebenze ehhovisi eKrugersdorp zingabanye balaba bakhalelwe ngamasongo kasigonyela namhlanje. Longqondongqondo kukholakala ukuthi ubesebenzisana nezisebenzi zomnyango ezifundazweni ezifaka phakathi iGauteng, Limpopo, KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape kanye nase-Western Cape. NginguCalvin Dludla, kwizindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.